Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee and mommy's baby Kim Kim. That mommy Kim. That mommy's Kim. So I just randomly decided to pick up the camera right now and do a day in the life. We are going to be heading to San Diego again on Thursday. So just going to be cleaning up the house, getting us all packed. I started packing last night. So yeah, I'll be in San Diego actually for a while this time. So I am excited to run the business at full speed, get some new hires in there and all that good stuff. So yeah, but I was just checking in with y'all saying, hey, I have a dentist appointment today. I'm gonna cook lunch / dinner before my dentist appointment so I can eat before I go, just in case my mouth's hurting when I come back, because I'm getting like a deep cleaning and stuff. So they said my gums may be numb for a little bit, but or like a little tender after this deep cleaning. So anyways, laundry, pack, clean, dentist appointment, maybe go for a walk. Yeah, so that's my life right now. We watching YouTube and Cam is all into it. So I will catch y'all when I get up and start cleaning. I told myself I'm gonna get up by 10. It's 9:36. So I'm gonna get up by 10 and start, getting my day started for real. So yeah. So it's 10 o'clock on the dot. I just fed Cam. He is really sleepy. Look at his eyes. He's fighting his sleep. So I'm trying to put him to sleep so I can go ahead and get up and start this laundry. So yeah. It is 10:05, so it only took me about 5 minutes to get him to go to sleep. So now I'm about to lay him down. I want to put him in his crib, but he sleeps longer on like the couch or the bed, and I want to, get some cleaning and packing done. So I hope y'all can hear me. I'm kind of talking low so he can stay asleep, but yeah, I'm probably just laying down on the bed, so he or the couch for a little bit right here to stay asleep longer. So yeah. I'm so cute. Y'all, I forgot I said I was gonna be recording as soon as I put Cameron down to go to sleep. I ain't recording nothing, and I did get up. I did put a load in the wash. I did pack. Okay, I'm literally just packing the last little bit right now, which is I'm packing a purse. I'm gonna have to figure out how to transport this. Put a purse and my hot tools. Y'all see all my cleavage. Okay, I got a dress on. Okay, but I had to figure out, since I'm going for 2 months basically, 6 weeks. I'm like, Cameron has all of these diapers. Like he has like still 5 boxes of size 2 diapers in there, and I'm like, I don't want to buy more size 2 diapers in San Diego just to come back, and then he can't even fit these size 2 diapers out here. So half of the suitcase is his. Okay, formula, especially because we just got all this formula. I'm like, I'm not gonna just not use that and buy more. Like, formula's expensive. His diapers, and then this side is mine, and I'm gonna just have to wash, reuse, recycle / probably buy some clothes a little bit in San Diego. But I do still have some clothes at my mom's house. I'm gonna be staying with my mom. So I'm not really that pressed because I always keep clothes there anyway. So I have even a little bit more than this, but it's just obviously I was not planning on doing so. And then obviously when we come back to, I won't have as much to pack because the diapers will be gone obviously, and any unused formula, which we're probably gonna go through all this, but I could keep in my mom's house for when I'll be back again in January. So, because I do typically go out to San Diego at least once a month for at least a week at a time, but it's just gonna get a little bit elongated. And I literally just got back, so yeah. I need to pack my purse in there, so I need to switch that over. Where is Cameron's birth certificate? That might still be mom's house. Okay, sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. But yeah, let me figure out how to pack this real quick in here. Ooh. Roll these up. so we have a lot of these Millie Moon size 1 diapers that Cameron cannot fit. He can still fit Huggy size 1, but Millie Moon size 1 fits way smaller. So Roosevelt's cousin just had a baby, so we did like take them out, but we didn't use them. So we have that one pack that's not even open, and then this we literally used probably we tried like 5 diapers. We're like maybe something just off, but no, it just wasn't working out. They were too small for him. So we are packing these diapers to give to her. Hopefully Roosevelt can drop them off before this weekend or by this weekend. But yeah, just trying to spread the love with a bunch of diapers. So yeah, we already gave her some, but we gave her some like newborn size, and now she'll have a size 1 from us too. So yeah. So Cam is down for his second nap of the day. Second nap usually doesn't last as long. So it's about 1:30 right now. So I'm about to change the load of laundry and change the load of laundry, hopefully cook, need some lunch / dinner, and then I need some of these are clean, so like this is clean. I need to fold those up and then get ready for my dentist appointment. So hopefully I can do most of that before he wakes up, at least fold 1 basket of clothes and cook dinner. That'd be great. So yeah. So I got Cameron's, I got 1 basket of clothes folded. Cameron woke up, so I just fed him, just put him back to sleep. Second basket of clothes is in the living room, ready to go. About to make this salmon though, and while I'm making the salmon, gonna fold that other basket. I want to make a sweet potato, but y'all know sweet potatoes take a long time to cook. So I'm wondering if I do a baked sweet potato in the microwave, how that would work. We gonna see. Just did a super simple seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Season both sides because I'm gonna do like not even a sauce, but like a little glaze with some liquid aminos, or you can use soy sauce, brown sugar, and honey, kind of like a teriyaki glaze. So yeah, I got the butter and oil over here. It looks like it's pretty hot, so I'll go ahead and put the salmon in there. I don't know if it really makes a difference to cook with the skin down first, but that's kind of just what I do. So I'm gonna let that cook up, and then once I flip it, I'll put like the little glaze in it. I just put this big old sweet potato in the microwave and for 5 minutes, and it's soft. So yeah, I've baked a regular potato in the microwave before, but never a sweet potato. So yeah. This is some cinnamon dusted powder. That's just kind of from the sweet potato and then my glazed salmon. The other pieces in there, I'm about to take it out. That's for babe. If you want it, because I could eat the whole piece, but I'm gonna just stick with this for now. I would eat a vegetable, but I just don't feel like making it. So, all right. So just finished eating. So now I'm about to fold the next basket of clothes. There's 2 more baskets I'm gonna have to fold because one of them, the dryer just finished and the washing machine I gotta switch over. So I might not get to both of those today, but definitely by tomorrow. But I'm gonna fold this one up right now. It's about 3:30. My appointment's at 4:30, so about an hour. And the place is only like 5 minutes from me. So about to fold these, then wash the dishes, and then it probably should be time for me to go. So yeah. Y'all, it's like 2 days later at 4:30 in the morning. Why is it 4:30 in the morning? I'm vlogging because I'm about to be on my way to the airport, and I'm actually was planning on starting a new vlog, and then I was like, oh shoot, I never finished my vlog from the other day. So yeah, basically this today or that day was the day in life. I had, just cleaning up. I was supposed to have a client, but didn't. I had a dentist appointment, I think, that day. So yeah, now it's like 2-3 days later, and I'm about to be on my way to the airport, and I'm gonna start a new vlog. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Hopefully it wasn't too short. It was kind of like a reset before I need to go start my new life, essentially. Not new life, but this is another day, okay? So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and a new video is on the way. All right, see y'all. Thanks for watching.